Ito na, nababo kabalian ko, masakay po ako Luis Seasoning Wear in Pampanga. Ngayon po nga daw ngayon is a different day. So, aligo po magpakilalang samgipsal, milk tea, or a spa. Ngayon po nga daw ngayon, iburi kayo pong pakilala kaya kayo ining Cosme Japan International. It's a wellness company na bisa pong magpakilala kaya katamo. First time po muna man mag-feature mga nining establishment. So, I'm excited. Lamin tamo po nung nanong akita mo yan. At yun ako kining kilub na ning karelang office. Actually, yung office da is also their showroom. Kaya nila mo naman kukuha products detang sellers, distributors mo ngayon na poretang walk-ins. Deng product na pala are available through orders kaya karelang Facebook page. For more informations po about their products, nanularet ang benefits da, you may also find them there. So I mentioned earlier, kaya nila po pumunta retang distributors, retang resellers. So if you're interested to become partner with them like a distributor or reseller, malyari kayo pong mag-inquire. So I'll be including the numbers here. You may call them or you can visit them. Kaya pong office na king Central Town Mall, Angeles City. So this is their working area. This is where they process itong sales, detang orders online, mga yan. And then ni R4 transmita na la rin, makapak na la. So kukunan na lang mo ng courier yan. Gawin tala rin produkto na eh. So tin lang gluta whitening, herbal diet. Palagi ko kailangan king herbal diet. Tingnan mo namang Ferraria, hydrogen and Nutroxen, horse placenta. So ito yung pangalawa, peeling gel, lotion toner. This one is so cream, and of course beauty soap. Ito, just to let you know, in Cosme Japan International, kini po Pampanga was established a year ago. Pero in mo mother company na King Japan has been in the industry for 50 long years. So talagang veterano na po rin. Okay, so this time we have a special interview with Miss Mayet.
Yes, Mayet.
So isa po siyang top seller sa Lazada and ang store po niya is Plus Size Boutique.
Yeah.
What made you decide to partner with Cosme Japan International?
Actually, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa Cosme is yung quality.
Okay.
Since si Cosme is from Japan,
Right.
Isa yan sa mga brand at saka isa yan sa mga quality na hinahanap ko.
Yes.
Kung mag-invest na rin lang ako,
Correct.
I make sure na doon na yun sa quality at the same time, di ba? Yung presentation ng product nila is maganda.
Yes.
So number one kasi yan eh. Pag gusto mo magnegosyo, dapat doon na kayo sa quality.
Correct.
Number one is quality talaga. And to think na maraming nagre-rebrand dito, mga local products, marami tayong mga iba't ibang company na nag-offer din sa amin ng same product.
Yes.
Pero I rather choose Cosme kasi made in Japan to.
Correct.
Japan is number one sa mga cosmetics and sa mga products na when it comes to skincare.
Correct. So yung quality po nila speaks of assurance.
Yes, quality, yes.
And,
Quality-wise tayo.
And to add to that, I think nakita po ninyo ma'am yung factory mismo namin sa Japan.
Yes.
Nung nag-live streaming naman ako from Japan.
Alright, wow. Ma'am, please invite our viewers po to yung mga aspiring businessmen na
Yes, guys, kung gusto nyo mag-invest, dito na tayo sa Japan made. Quality, the best ang quality ng Japan. Subok na and number one talaga ang Japan when it comes to skincare. So guys, huwag kayong mag-hesitate or take a risk kasi quality yung product ng Cosme.
Oy, Takabalen, so please allow us for a quick interview. Of course, the persons behind Cosme Japan International, the these are the guys that you should look for if you want to be partner with them. For my first and probably the most important question is, what made you decide, or what was the reason you guys bringing Cosme Japan here in the Philippines or in Pampanga?
Cosme Japan. Okay, so they said it all started when we met in Japan, and then we're working for the same company with different functions and different logistics.
Okay.
And then when they came here in the Philippines, just to have fun, parang bakasyon lang, nagiinuman lang kami, nagre-relax lang, nagustuhan nila sa Pilipinas, and then they said, why don't we start our company here?
Alright.
And at that time we were in Makati, and then I said, sure, why don't we invest? But I told them that I would only agree if we will establish a company in Pampanga.
Okay.
This, since I'm from Pampanga, of course, you know, at the end of the day, kapampangan ko.
Wow.
So, buri ko kaya niya ma-establishing company. Bangat ring minunang misopan, nung halimbawa manalakad kang kumpanya rin ring ka balenta mo kapampangan.
There you go.
So, that's how it started. Ito na nga yung Cosme Japan International.
So aside from the, of course, business side, so you have your advocacy for the Kapampangans as well.
Yes, of course.
So how can they make partnership with you po?
They can just visit, and for those that are interested to be resellers or distributors for the company, or yung just a regular customer po na mahilig sa mga mga pang beauty products, whitening, anti-aging, supplements, yung pong mga products namin is 100% made in Japan. Since the products are made in Japan, quality, safety, and effectiveness. And we pride ourselves in those areas, sir. Yes.
Of course, patriotic pa rin po tayo as a Filipino.
Of course,
yes. Pero po itong sinabi ng made in Japan.
Yes.
So
Alibay po talaga.
Alibay. Medyo atin lang awas kanita, high quality.
Yes, okay.
Sir Chris, please invite our kababayans, our kabalens to come and check out po in your business, Cosme Japan International.
Okay, so kabalin kong Kapampangan bisang mag-start pong jampang malati mong negosyo, extra income. At the same time po, reta pong mahilig talaga ka rin beauty products, you can just visit us here in Cosme Japan International. So kami mo po kaya Central Town Mall. And another thing, sir, i-promote kayo po itang kim po kasing August 8, maging 1 year na kami po, Kenny.
Wow, okay.
But we have an event, a beauty pageant on the August 3rd. Rin pong bisang manalbe, rin pong bisang mag-participate.
Alright, salamat po.
Okay, thank you, Sir Louie.
Okay guys, so again, if you're interested to do business with them, we're gonna have the business information. You're gonna see them here, right there. Again guys, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga, Cosme Japan International. Right, so this is how they do it here. Salamat po.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir Louie.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Louie.